How to create an account on Ubisoft. What is up everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to sign up for a new account on Ubisoft. You first need to open up a web browser and simply go to ubisoft.com. And then here at the top right, you'll find the account icon. Just click on it and another window will pop up on your screen. So all you need to do here is click on create an account. But if you already have an account, you could just go ahead and enter your login credentials and then simply log in with your account. You could also log in with Facebook, Xbox, Twitch, or even your PlayStation account. Just click on create an account to create a new one. Wait for a bit and it's going to give you an option to select your birth date first. So let's go ahead and select our birth date. So just enter your birthday here. And once you have done that, you could just go ahead and click on continue. After this, here you're going to have to enter your email address that you want to be connected with your account and then confirm that same email address. The next step is to create a password. So you're just going to have to create a password for you and select a username for your Ubisoft. Once that is done, you could just go ahead and check the terms and conditions. And if you want, you can receive exclusive emails and newsletter contents with offers and more info. I'm just going to check this off and click on create account. So from here, all you have to do is click on create account. It seems like the password cannot contain your username. So let me just select something else. And then once you have created your password, you should be directly logged into your account. So here you go, you've got your account, and now you've successfully created a new account on Ubisoft. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.